The way we sit matters the most. Our sitting posture shows how confident we are. If we feel inner confidence within ourselves, it is very easy to speak with confidence even if you are not so fluent in English. Well, that doesn't mean that if you don't have confidence, you cannot speak well. You can speak. Body language is a simple aspect to make you feel confident, to make you look confident, to make you sound confident. In this video, I will share with you some of ways through which we can look confident, feel confident, and sound confident. Hi, my name is Chanda. Welcome to my channel Be Confident. Here I help you to take yourself to the next level. So let's begin. In order to look ourselves confident, in order to make ourselves feel confident, what we need to do is we need to sit with our back straight and relax your muscles. This is applicable in every aspect of our life, be it interview or even you are doing some important business deal. It is very important to sit straight with relaxed muscle. This make you look confident and will give you the inner confidence to speak in a confident way, to have an effective communication or conversation. The position of our body is the foundation of our body language. Trust me, straight back gives you confidence and words flow smoothly. Now, second point is the position of your chin. This matters a lot. To hold our head high shows strong determination. Let's give a try. To hold our head give us confidence. Does it sound cool? No. But when I speak with my head straight, it is more interesting and more communicative. So when we bend our head down, it means that you are guilty or you have done something wrong. So always hold your head high and speak with a smile. Now, third point is focus on the one who is listening to you. For an effective communication, it is very important that we keep our eye contact with each other. If we do not keep eye contact, it shows that you don't have any interest to the person you are talking. Keeping an eye contact shows that you are interested and you are positive about whatever you are telling them. Number 4. Speak in a voice that is audible to all. So the listener would not be interested in you if you are too low to speak. Even too loud is not tolerable. It gives a sign that am I deaf? I can hear even if you are little low. So what we understood is that not too low, not too high, just be medium, mind your own tone. The tone of voice matters a lot while you are speaking. Now, fifth point is use your gesture properly. Now, what do you mean by gesture? Gesture means the language, the sign that you are showing while you are speaking. I am moving my hands here and there just to express myself, just to make you understand whatever I am trying to convey, the message. When we try to express ourselves with the help of the gesture or with the help of hands or the way I move my head, the way I use my eyes or the way I'm smiling, everything matters a lot whenever you are speaking to someone else. Even if you are standing, when you express something new idea, you can move from here and there to back and forth. This shows that you were very interested in whatever you were telling and even keeps the listener engaging in the conversation. When we are sitting, we can incline or we can move backside to show, to emphasize the message that you are trying to deliver. If there is anything important, you can just move forward and tell them, and then you can go and rest to your back. So this shows that you are really interested in whatever you are trying to say or whatever you are trying to deliver. So hope this 5 points